My plan was to be really active today, really creative actually. But it's already 5:30 p.m. And in the morning I had other appointments, so I didn't have time. But the afternoon, I just slept. From 2 till 5, I spent on my couch with my cat against me, and we were sleeping. So I didn't do much, nothing that I planned. I will take a picture of my layout I made during my live video and the process video, so I can finish that. And I have a concert this evening, so tomorrow will be more creative than today, I guess. I got some Happy Meal. Do you know what it is? I'm not gonna tell you yet. They are uploading. They will be up later today. That means Saturday. I started to make my first example with the ethereal kit. This is the card. I know it's in you can't read it, I know. But it's very bright. That's good, because it's still a secret. But at least you know what I was doing today for my creative stuff. And I finally, where is it? Here. Used my fuse again.